look in the mirror, an older version of ourselves is staring right back at us. And even though the search for the fountain of youth continues to elude us, there are some things you can do to slow down the aging process. Here to tell us more is Dr. Milady Murphy from Shelton State's Health and Wellness Center. Thanks for being with us today.
Janie, always a pleasure. You know, Janie, according to the Gerontological Society of America, that's one of the oldest organizations that deal with education and research on the study of aging. What they have recommended, probably the #1 thing we can do to slow down the aging process of our body and mind, is to stay active physically, mentally, spiritually, and socially. They have found that in their research that those individuals who are 50 and over that participate in physical activity or games that enhance memory games like puzzles and things of that nature is just as powerful as exercise and eating right, but also the spirituality as well and a social fellowship network. They feel that all those areas slow down the aging process as it relates to cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. They also recommend in their second point, diet is critical in the aging process, that people have to eat, but sometimes they don't know what to eat. The American Heart Association recommends now as people age to slow down the aging process, the Mediterranean diet. And all of their foods that they recommend not only protects us against cardiovascular disease and certain cancers, may even slow down cognitive decline.
And that's the olive oil and the fish and the beans and things like that, right?
Very good, absolutely,
which I love,
Janie.
and
Yes.
living on.
Yeah, no, but that's very important for the viewers to know that you have to eat to be healthy. It's just the right food choices. Right. The third thing that they recommend is to find ways to manage stress. And one of the best ways that they recommend is have a support system, whether it's with family, friends, a church organization, your professional types, like your doctors, your physicians. Have a support system, even a support team as we age. And they feel that those 3 areas, those recommendations, not only improve one's quality of life as they age, but even the longevity.
So stay connected, stay active, eat right, eat healthy, and stay connected. And for people that may not have the opportunity to do these things themselves, their loved ones can reach into their lives and help them with these, correct?
Absolutely. And support systems are what we're finding now for people, you know, whether they're on diets, trying to quit smoking, trying to improve their life. They found that those individuals, the research that had a support system, were more apt to be successful and have less relapse than those that didn't.
My mother turns 89 today,
God bless
and
her.
she still quilts, sews her clothes, gardens, and is active in church. And I really believe, and her doctors tell her she's at least 20 to 30 years younger than she is by her number calendar. And they attribute it to in how she eats as well. She eats that plant.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right, Jane, and she's a role model for you.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for being with us
pleasure,
today.
Janie. Thank you for sharing this information.
Sure. And you guys at home, you can find out more about the Health and Wellness Center online at sheltonstate.edu or by calling the number on your screen, 205-391-2994.